Welcome, everyone. Today, we'd like to invite you to redefine education with us. Today, we'd like to present to you Moevoid app, along with our startup, Bamboo Void. In this video, we introduce Bamboo Void. Bamboo Void is an AI-based education startup. This startup is built on the hypothesis that education can change human civilization.
Bamboo Void sees civilization as a series of interconnected systems. These include economy, technology, science, government, and society. These systems sustain themselves through self-looping outputs, such as economic growth, technological development, and societal movement. This system is built by the understanding of the people who inhabit the civilization. Difference in understanding lead to difference in civilizational development. To test this hypothesis, Bamboo Void used their main product, the Moevoid app, as main variable to test in this experiment.
A society's education level determines the action done by a society to build its civilization. The rise of Medici family exemplified the shift from feudal to Renaissance economy through the implementation of banking practice and investment across trade routes in Europe. Development of Gutenberg's printing machine enabled writers to mass publish their work. Da Vinci's deep understanding of anatomy enabled soft brush to be used to depict anatomical detail, such as orbicularis muscle in subtle corner of the smile, and light reflection in cornea.
The establishment of the first factories in England, such as Arkwright's cotton mills, introduced new production methods and labor management strategies. Things Watt's optimization include the introduction of separate condenser and double-acting engine, significantly increasing efficiency in industrial machinery. The Starry Night used bold colors and expressive brushwork, where thick paint and short strokes communicate movement of night pattern.
The creation of ARPANET in 1969 laid the groundwork for global internet, where remote devices are able to transmit information between one and another. The founding of Silicon Valley companies, such as Apple and Microsoft, showcased the role of technology-based products in economic development. Apple's MacPaint software introduced mouse-based approach for the first time in digital drawing field, revolutionizing the era of modern image manipulation.
Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter mark another leap in evolution of communication. YouTube, Netflix, and Spotify radically change how content is consumed. Movie, animation, and gaming stream turn into communication medium, where intercultural value and societal beliefs are communicated.
These advancements are later amplified by AI models development, such as GPT-4, DALL-E, and Midjourney, marking a new era for neural network-based data generation and autonomous intelligent assistant.
Moevoid represent the next step in this historical civilization development. As the main product of Bamboo Startup, Moevoid is an AI-based education app designed to educate young learning generation in global scope.
Moevoid is an AI-based education app. Moevoid focused to teach science and tech subjects. Moevoid used what is called as Waifu agent, an AI agent represented by female anime character, as main tutor for users' learning session.
GPT-4 serve as the core intelligence, i.e. the brain of Waifu agent. The multi-layer processing of GPT neural architecture enable deep understanding of information context. GPT's training on global scientific and non-scientific data sets enable it to do cross-contextual analysis, such as the economic impact of chemical engineering and the role of physics in molecular biology. Its advanced neural network is fine-tuned to facilitate natural conversation. Science do not exist only to be communicated by numbers alone. Science is laid down in our natural everyday experience, the atom in our fingertips, the oxygen in our respiratory, and the stream of electrons in our touchscreen devices. Mo philosophy posits a view of science not as rigid, textbook facts, but as omnipresent, flowing within everything and manifesting in natural everyday activities. It posits rigorous method of science not as an end, but as a bridge to answer existential truth behind the veil of life. Consciousness emerge as life's attempt to answer uncertainty in the world, and science emerge as a little sum of consciousness in humanity's attempt to find the meaning of their existence under the silent universe. This philosophy laid down the groundwork of Moevoid application. This is the philosophy used by Waifu agent in its teaching, creating complete teaching session in Moevoid learning experience.
As we circle back to the beginning, we return to our initial hypothesis. Can education change human civilization? From the Medici Bank and Gutenberg print, from steam engine to ARPANET, and from the development of online platforms to the AI revolution, history laid down how individual and collective actions shape humanity to its modern status. Education built new cognitive frameworks for individuals to base their actions, changing the societal constructs they create to build their societies. Differences in understanding determine their ability to fulfill their goal and visions. By empowering individuals through education, we lay down cognitive framework needed in individuals' decision-making and construction.
This theme is not laid down in alternative history, but in the history that human species has walked through in the past. Printing machine and internet development show how building a better future for humanity begin by reshaping the very fabric of human civilization itself. The right implementation of education hold the potential to direct human society. To test this assumption, we design Moevoid app under one main hypothesis. Can education change human civilization as a whole?